Hey everyone, Dr. Amelia here. If joint pain, stiffness, or limited mobility has been holding you back, then you might have heard about Jointvive. But before you make a purchase, there are two very important alerts you need to know. This video will cover everything. Let's get into it. Alert number 1. Be cautious about where you buy Jointvive. This supplement is only sold through the official website. Any other source could be selling a fake or expired version. I've added the official link in the description below to help you avoid scams. So, what is Jointvive? It's a powerful joint support supplement designed to reduce inflammation, support cartilage health, and improve flexibility, especially for people dealing with arthritis, age-related joint issues, or recovery from injury. Jointvive uses a scientifically formulated blend of ingredients like glucosamine and chondroitin for cartilage repair (MSM), to reduce inflammation, turmeric extract for its natural anti-inflammatory properties, Boswellia serrata to support mobility and joint comfort. These ingredients are combined in a concentrated, natural formula backed by lab testing. Jointvive is incredibly easy to use. Just take 2 capsules a day with a glass of water. There's no harsh side effects, it's non-GMO and free from soy, dairy, and artificial chemicals. Plus, it's non-habit forming, so it fits into any lifestyle. Many users have reported less pain, more flexibility, and even better sleep because they're not waking up in pain. But keep in mind, everyone's body is different. Some see results in a few days, while others may take a few weeks. The key is to be consistent and realistic with your expectations. Alert number 2. Jointvive comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free, and if you don't see the results you hope for, you'll get a full refund. Just make sure to take it daily for the best possible outcome. In summary, Jointvive is a great option for those struggling with joint pain and stiffness. It's natural, effective, and easy to add to your daily routine. But always remember to buy only from the official website to make sure you're getting the real thing. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more supplement reviews and health tips. And don't forget, the official Jointvive link is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.